There's a lot happening in the world that has made data your currency. India is still familiar with the hyperscale data center, but the novel concept that I actually feel is going to disrupt the market in India is edge data centers. It's already there in the developed countries of the world, in Europe and in America. Essentially, modular data centers have an advantage over the other types of data centers in two ways. They are closer to your users and devices. They are modular and more compact in nature. So anything requiring AI, your IoT devices, autonomous vehicles, there's no scope for latency there.
The concept is that a prefab or a modular, the critical infrastructure in a box, pre-engineered, pre-tested, eliminating all the vendor dependencies, eliminating all the project management dependencies, eliminating the unwanted delays or uncounted delays in the project deployment, which brings down the overall time of deployment, reduced to weeks compared to months in a traditional RCC construction.
We have the technology partner from Australia, which is XCircle, which are already global leaders in edge data center space.
So we are building strategic alliances and partnership to create a stronger ecosystem in order to serve our customers. Building everything in box in a coordination, a prefab or a modular architecture also needs an experience. That is why we have collaborated with XCircle. Now XCircle brings that kind of an experience with 30 plus years of industry experience in regions like Africa, South Africa, Australia. So we want to serve India with a ready solution, purely tested, tried. So if you take any vertical, any application, we have done it somewhere and we have that experience.
Our ambition is to set up a world-class factory here and export to the international market in collaboration with XCircle. Today, India has a huge potential to be the supplier to the world. The data center business that we are setting up, we can already see an opportunity for us to export because primarily they have the inroads into these markets. We are trying to become more and more energy efficient and we are trying to become more and more green.
When you talk about the sustainability, we all focus on power. So in modular and prefab data centers, we can build the entire architecture solution workable with solar or wind power. You can generate the power there, consume it there, and deliver your sustainability goals through that.
The next phase of data center, which we feel is already catching up, much smaller in size but much efficient, and they can be scaled up.
What the prefab and modular concept brings is scale as you grow. You can design the whole architecture and bring in the components. If you can scale as the customer wants, as you grow, that would bring the adaptability, the modularity, which will help you to manage your cash flow and also give the right price to the consumer.
I feel every customer is of the prime importance. I feel that we should give them the world-class product and the world-class service.
So our designs, our deployment methodologies, our supply chain has to be ready to make sure that we give the solution when the customer needs it. And so the time to market for customer, for us, is critical. So how fast can we deliver? How fast can we deploy? We are doing the factory acceptance test. We know what is required, what skill sets are required. We might have to deploy in most challenging environments, but we are ready.